Hey guys, here are 11 legit online jobs where you can earn over $40,000 working from home. Watch it all to know how to earn that much by proofreading texts. Number 11. Graphic designer. Design visually stimulating graphics. Average pay from $25 to $40 per hour for beginners. For the artists out there, becoming a graphic designer is a great way to monetize your hobby. The web is becoming more and more visual, especially as mobile devices become the primary method of browsing. The highest paid graphic designers combine multiple skills into their designs. Knowledge in branding, sales, and direct response marketing allows many graphic designers to charge over $100 per hour. Number 10. Search engine optimization. Helps small business owners get found online. Average pay from $25 to $40 per hour for beginners. Search engine optimization is the process of helping businesses get found online. In my experience, having managed local SEO campaigns in the past, there is a lot of low-hanging fruit. That means you can drive a lot of revenue to a business just by implementing a basic set of SEO best practices. Therefore, you can charge a high hourly or project rate, knowing you'll deliver results. When it comes to SEO, I've invested a lot into my own education. One resource I found available and very affordable is Mike Pearson's Stupid Simple SEO course. The course only opens a few times each year, but adding your name to the waitlist scores you access to Mike's excellent 5-day SEO bootcamp. Number 9. Freelance writing. Write blog posts, articles, advertisements, and more to clients. Average pay from $15 to $40 per hour. Freelance writing is one of the more lucrative side hustles I've tried. I started small, but in a year I was earning over $100 an hour. Freelance writing is a skill that's becoming more in demand than ever. According to the US Department of Labor, the demand for writers is expected to grow by 6% from 2010 to 2020. Finding legit online jobs for writers can be difficult. This is especially true if you are competing for jobs the way most people do, against dozens of other writers who are all vying for low-paying gigs on job boards. The key to launching a successful career as a freelance writer is choosing the right niche. You want to find a niche you are passionate about and one that makes good money. Number 8. Social media marketing. Handle all social media tasks for small business owners. Average pay from $20 to $100. Many business owners don't have the time to make consistent updates to their social media profiles or to respond promptly to customer requests made via social media. That's why so many businesses today are looking to hire social media managers. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, a 10% job growth rate is expected for social media marketing managers between 2016 and 2026. As long as you have the ability to post, curate, and manage content on social media channels, you can start taking on clients today. But the big money is in learning how to effectively deploy paid advertising, such as Facebook ads. Businesses need new customer leads, and you can earn premium wages if you know how to use things like micro-targeting to deliver ads to just the right audience. If you are interested in making money as a social media manager, check out social media expert Phyllis Haar's free social media consultant starter kit. Number 7. Virtual assistant. Work as a remote executive assistant doing a range of tasks. Average pay from $18 to $35 per hour. I first heard the term virtual assistant in Tim Ferriss's popular book, The 4-Hour Work Week. In the book, Tim discusses how to hire overseas virtual assistants for $5 to $15 per hour. But now the trend isn't to hire a virtual assistant for $5 an hour. It's to find the highest quality virtual assistant possible, someone who will really add value to your business. And because of that, people are willing to pay significantly higher wages to the right person. So instead of just doing boring, repetitive tasks, you will be working for a successful business owner as a remote executive assistant. Number 6. Online tutor. Tutor children worldwide in English or other subjects. Average pay $18 per hour. One high-growth business industry right now is online education. And on the fastest growing niches within online education is online tutoring. There are now multiple websites that connect you with students all over the world. who are looking to be tutored in a range of subjects. When we ranked the best online tutoring sites, the top site was VIP Kid. The average wage, according to Glassdoor, is $18 per hour. You can work when you want, where you want, with no need to worry about marketing your services. All that's required is a bachelor's degree and some teaching experience. Number 5. Find a work from home job. A job search site that lists only legitimate work from home opportunities for both entry-level and experienced workers. Average pay depends on experience. The best path to a legitimate online job may be working for a remote company. This is especially true for those who enjoy what they do now, but want the flexibility and freedom an online job provides. Finding a decent employer is no easy task though. A quick search on Craigslist pulls up dozens of spammy-looking opportunities. Fortunately, the number of companies who hire remote workers is growing, and yes, many of them offer things like stable salaries, benefits, and opportunities for promotion and advancement. FlexJob screens each job listing, more than 30,000 of them, to ensure that each company is legitimate. Here's the catch. FlexJob is a paid membership site. To see the full details of a particular job listing, you have to sign up for their $14.95 monthly membership. But the quality of the listings is absolutely worth the small fee. Also, you can see what jobs are available without paying. So feel free to browse the listing titles first to see if they have anything that strikes your fancy. Number 4. Photographer. Supply stock photos that will be purchased and used by businesses. Average pay from 20 to 50 cents per image sold. One of the fastest growing online marketplace is stock photography. According to Technavio, the business of selling stock photos will exceed $4 billion by 2020. Businesses need quality stock photos for their websites, client presentation, and more. You love being behind a camera, even the one on your smartphone. You can get paid for uploading quality photos to stock photo sites. You'll earn anywhere between 20 and 50 cents per image sold. So the goal is to have dozens of photos for sale, each generating a commission for your daily. This makes selling stock photography a great source of passive income because you can get paid over and over again for work you only did once. The best way to learn the business of stock photography and enhance your skills as a photographer is through Creative Live. Founded by world-renowned photographer Chase Jarvis, Creative Live offers free daily classes on photography, art, design, and more. Their live classes are 100% free to attend. If you want to rewatch the video recordings later, unlimited access is available for a very reasonable fee. Number 3. Bookkeeping. Record and continuously update financial transactions for small businesses. Average pay from $17 to $40 per hour. At the top of most business owners' list of least favorite work activities is bookkeeping. Of course, it's a critical task for ensuring a business runs smoothly and survives into the future. If you're someone who loves to work with numbers, you can earn very good money in the field. There are also a lot of opportunities to charge higher hourly wages the more you specialize. And just like proofreading, bookkeeping doesn't require certification. A great resource for getting started is Ben Robinson's free video training, How to Start Your Own Bookkeeping Business and Earn $80 per hour in 1 week without going into debt. Number 2. Start a blog. Create a website that provides valuable information about a topic you care about. Average pay from $0 to $10,000 per month. The Ways to Wealth is my second blog. I started my first blog in 2009 and sold it 2 years later. What's great about a blog is that you are building a sellable asset. A quality website sells for around 30 times its monthly revenue. Therefore, if you are able to make $1,333 per month, you have a $40,000 assets. And the number 1, proofreading. Earn money by proofreading books, academic papers, websites, content, audio transcripts, and more. Average pay from $17 per hour. If you are the type of person that spots every typo and grammar mistake in the article you read, consider a career in proofreading. Proofreading is a great example of a job that needs no certification, and you can use your set of eagle eyes to make solid money. With the explosion of web content that has occurred in recent years, it's a job that is in super high demand. That means you can land your first client today if you're ready to start. Thank you for watching this video, and we are preparing way more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.